welcome back to CyberChimps. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enhance your WordPress website with dynamic content switcher using responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. A content switcher is a powerful tool that allows users to seamlessly toggle between different content sections without leaving the page. This feature not only improves user interaction but also keeps your site looking clean and organized. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin, adding a content switcher widget, and configuring it to your website needs. So let's get started. First thing first, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and click on Add New Plugin. Now here search for responsive add-ons for Elementor. Once you found this plugin, click on Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click on Activate. Now the plugin has been activated. Responsive Addons for Elementor is an add-on plugin for Elementor. So you need Elementor installed and activated on your website as well to use this plugin. Now go to the page or post where you want to add the widget. Click on Edit with Elementor button. Now this will take you to the editing section of the Elementor. Now here on the left hand panel, search for RAE Content Switcher. So when you found this widget, just drag and drop it where you want to add it. And this is how the Content Switcher widget will look by default. Now let's start customizing the widget. Now here under Content tab, you can see two settings, Content 1 and Content 2. Now under Content 1, the first setting is heading. Now so here you can add a heading for the first content, and under section, you can select the type of section to be displayed for the first content. Available options are content, saved section or saved page. So if you select content, here you can add the content using a given text editor, and then you get all these settings over here, so you can go ahead and customize it to your needs. Now to use saved section, you have to first create a section and then save it, and then the section will be displayed here. So I've already created a section and I've already saved it here. So when I select on saved section, so here you can select a section from the available saved sections. This setting is only available if the section setting is selected to be saved section. Now if you go for saved page on the section setting, then the following option appears as select page. So here you can select a page from the available saved page. Now again, this setting is only available if the section setting is saved page. And the same settings are available for content too. So here also you can go ahead and add your heading and add your section and then select your section. So once you're done with the content tab, so let's go to the style tab. So the first setting which you can see under the style tab is switcher. So under default display, you can select which content should be displayed by default, content 1 or content 2. And under switch style, here you can select the switcher style. Available options are round 1, round 2, rectangle and label box. Now under color 1, here you can set the background color of the switcher for the first content. And under color 2, you can set the background color of the switcher for the second content. And under controller color, you can set the switcher's inner controller color. Here you can select the switch size. Now let's go to the headings tab. Under heading 1, the first option appears is color. So here you can set the color of the heading for the first content. And then under typography, here you can set the typography of the heading for the first content. Now under heading 2, here you can set the color of the heading for the second content. And under typography, you can set the typography of the heading for the second content. Now under HTML tag, you can select the HTML tag for content headings. Under alignment, you can set the alignment of the heading. And under layout, you can switch between inline and stack view of the content headings. Under stack on, here you can set the breakpoint on which the content headings will stack. Now if you enable advanced tab, the following settings will be available. Background color, here you can set the background color for the content headings. Under border type, you can set the border type of the content headings. And under width, you can set the border width of the content headings. And under color, you can set the border color, and under border radius, you can set the border radius of the content headings. You can set the padding for the content headings. Now let's go to the content tab. So here if you enable advanced button, you'll see these settings. So from here you can change the background color, and under border type you can change the border type, and under border radius again you can add a radius, and you can set the padding from here. And now let's go to the last tab, which is spacing. Under button and heading, you can set the spacing between the switcher button and the content headings for different devices. And under content and headings, you can set the spacing between the switcher button and the content headings for different devices. Okay, so once you're done with all the changes, don't forget to click on the publish button and then click on preview changes to see the changes live on your website. As you saw, RAE widget content has a lot of settings, so you can go ahead and play around these settings. And that's how you can easily integrate a content switcher to your WordPress website, making it more user-friendly and engaging. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, write down in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.